Sleep is when our body and mind rest. More importantly, it's when physical restoration happens inside the body. The body rebuilds muscles, cleans plaque from the walls of our veins, removes waste produced in the brain. Your mind processes and responds to the day's events and emotions. This is the time we make memories. Sleep is critical to your immune system, appetite regulation, and metabolism. So if you are trying to manage your waistline, improve your memory, brighten your mood, heal and recover, reduce stress, improve energy, make decisions, and boost creativity, literally sleep on it. Women's brains are wired differently. Their connections are optimized for analytical and intuitive thinking. They tend to multitask, which is mentally and emotionally draining, and use more of their brains than men. Women need about 20 minutes more sleep than men.